Hello everyone, today I will show you how to update your iPhone to the latest iOS software. So look here, this is my iOS 18. So first of all, open iPhone settings and go to general, and then showing you to software update. Make sure to enable this. Look here, now I'm already update my iOS 18 and the latest version iOS 8.1. Click on to update now and enter your passcode, and then automatically update this. Click on to agree, and then finally click on to agree. Then successfully update process your iPhone iOS latest version. So that's it, that's how we can do it.